sounds of home, listening to you. There is beyond the sea a land I know that sings of home, that sings of many things and many hours long gone. For though we go into the hours that come, to home there clings a molecule or two that went away, and calls betimes again across the waves that lapped this exiled shore. For but a day, bad many days, rest ever neath their graves. And yet I would again re-sing this song and accent fond I know. I would here come in pulpits old to stand, for I belong to what I am, and sounds of safest home o'er this horizon call at whiles again, and harmony ere lost is strangest pain.
Ar Cymru yn y carchar, yn ein gyhuddo ni fo fi.